Ever wondered if you could turn your Notion workspace into a profitable venture? Notion has become a popular tool for organizing notes, projects, and even entire digital gardens. But can you actually make money off your Notion website? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Understanding monetization. Define monetization. Explain what monetization means in the context of a website. Common monetization methods. Discuss popular methods like advertising, affiliate marketing, subscriptions, and selling digital products. The Notion advantage. Explore how Notion's clean interface and customizable templates can make it suitable for various monetization strategies. Section 2. Advertising on a Notion website. Google AdSense. Explain how to set up Google AdSense and integrate it into your Notion website. Contextual advertising. Discuss how relevant ads can enhance user experience and increase click-through rates. Best practices. Provide tips for optimizing ad placement and ensuring a seamless user experience. Section 3. Affiliate marketing with Notion. What is affiliate marketing? Define affiliate marketing and how it works. Finding relevant affiliate programs. Discuss strategies for finding affiliate programs that align with your Notion content. Promoting affiliate products. Explore effective ways to promote affiliate products within your Notion website. Section 4. Creating and selling digital products. Types of digital products. Discuss various digital products that can be created and sold on a Notion website, such as templates, courses, and ebooks. Creating high-quality content. Emphasize the importance of creating valuable and engaging content to attract buyers. Selling platforms. Explore different platforms for selling digital products, including your own website and marketplaces like Gumroad. Section 5. Subscription-based models. Subscription benefits. Discuss the advantages of a subscription-based model for Notion websites. Creating exclusive content. Explore ideas for providing exclusive content or features to subscribers. Payment processing. Discuss payment processing options and tools for managing subscriptions. Section 6. Building an audience. Content marketing. Explain the role of content marketing in attracting visitors to your Notion website. SEO optimization. Discuss strategies for optimizing your Notion website for search engines. Social media promotion. Explore how to leverage social media to reach a wider audience. Section 7. Legal and ethical considerations. Copyright and trademark. Discuss the importance of respecting copyright and trademark laws when creating and monetizing content. Privacy and data protection. Explain how to handle user data responsibly and comply with privacy regulations. Disclosure. Emphasize the importance of disclosing affiliate relationships and paid partnerships. Summarize the main points discussed in the video. Offer your final thoughts on the potential of monetizing a Notion website. Encourage viewers to explore monetization opportunities for their own Notion websites. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.